Hello guys, Steve RC. While I'm out here with my Kyosho Scorpion, let's see if it could climb these little hills. It does everything else real good. Let's test it out on these rocks. There we go. Looks like a rock buggy. Let's see up this steep part here. Holy gosh. It's pretty good. There's some more challenges over here. This is really rocky over here. I don't know if it could get down and up this thing, but we'll try it. Better watch where I step and bust not even know what. Whoa! Alright. This is you see it rolled back. This is pretty steep. I don't know which way I'm gonna go, but we're gonna try. See if it could climb. Straight up. This thing's awesome. Down it. Oh! That's too steep for maybe this side over here. Holy cow, this thing's actually good. Jesus, that thing's awesome on the rocks. Like the Buggy rock crawler of all times. Anyhow guys, just wanted to show you this beauty in the rocks because I was playing but I couldn't believe what it could do. It's pulling wheelies. Alright, that's enough. Hope you enjoyed the Scorpion rock crawl session. Thanks guys for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Appreciate you all. Thanks. Leave all the good stuff. We'll see you next time.